I'm a third-year music student at Oriel College. I'm in my final year at the moment, and I really enjoy what I do. I think the one key challenge was recognizing my strengths and utilizing those strengths to pave success for my career. I really want to be a teacher and a conductor, and to become a conductor, you require a lot of great interpersonal skills and not just only in your musical skills. And I think that's where Brightwings came in to make me realize what potentials I have and how to manage them. There are definitely different ways of how we can lead. And I realized that I'm actually a more charismatic leader, and I should be confident in that. I saw how I led my teams and bringing different ideas and even a different subject altogether in a very different setting. For instance, on my first day in Brightwings, I already had to lead a choral singing workshop. And it was very interesting because most of the team members didn't know much about music or even singing. But that is where I realized how I can engage with my audience and serve the purpose for them.